everybody, welcome in. Well, I have a very long overdue shout out, but we're gonna do it now. And everybody that I'm shouting out, I do apologize for taking so long. I'm really good for that sometimes, but I appreciate each and everything that you guys send. So the first thing we have is Little Ridge Farm, and that is Mark. There's Mark's sticker, awesome sticker. I hope everything's going good with you, Mark, and in the building of your home. So thank you so much. Next one is from really awesome people. It's Mr. and Mrs. Kayak 7 Seas. And I'll put the link to everybody's channel in there. And they do premieres every Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard. And awesome videos that they have. Very supportive folks too. There's another one. Wow, got several of them. So it's Kayak 7 Seas. Awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate it very much. Love them. And this is from Handicapped Traveler Dan. Now, hey, listen, I opened up everything already too. I had lost the sticker. Well, actually I didn't lost it. I spilled coffee on it. So, unfortunately, it was ruined. However, Dan was nice enough to send me another one. So let's give a shout out to Dan, Handicapped Traveler. Really awesome sticker, Dan. Wow. So I appreciate it from you, Dan. And the next thing we have here is from Dawn Ray B. She is a real awesome person. You know, if you guys don't have her, you better pick her up, because she is really awesome. She sent this really beautiful knife. I mean, and it's razor sharp. It is awesome. I've already used it, Dawn Ray. I can't wait to use it out in the field. That's an awesome knife. Thank you so much. She's so sweet, guys. You got to really check her out. She's got some really good videos. She's got a little farm, and she does outdoor stuff, camping, bushcraft. You know, she just loves the outdoors. So the next thing I got is from Shirley, just doing our best, that I won on one of her lives. This is a green laser pointer. And this thing is so potent that you can't point it to the sky, because you're liable to have planes crashing everywhere. And I got a light on, so it's not going to really do it justice. But just check it out on here. Let's see. So it actually goes into different designs here. I'll definitely show it at nighttime out camping, because it's so cool. I mean, look at that. Wow. That is awesome, Shirley. Thank you so much. And I won't shine it in... Oh. There's a blooper here. We don't want to shine it in our eyes either. All right. I'm slightly blinded right now. Okay. Whew. No wonder you don't shine that at airplanes. Next one we have is from Susan from Hillbilly Chicken Ranch. Hang on, it's really hot down here. I've got to turn on my little fan. And she sent me some baits, which are real awesome. And she sent me a bandana. And Susan, I love bandanas. I got quite a few. I usually wear them summer, fall, when it's hot. But yes, thank you for the bandana. I got a couple of stickers from her, Hillbilly Chicken Ranch. I got another lure to add to my lure collection. And a really lovely note here. So thank you so much, Susan. I appreciate it. And I appreciate everything everybody sent me. I think that's it. So I'm caught up now. If you guys want a sticker, and since I had lost my old email, I did lose all my contacts in there too. So if anybody had wanted a sticker, it's gone. So please email me or comment on the video, and I got tons of stickers, and I will send them out to you. You don't need to send me one. Of course, if it's one I don't have, sure, send it to me. And I want to give a special shout out to Just Flipping Crazy. Now I had bought something from her And she actually sent me these extra ones because she knows how much I like beads, seashells. Lisa, thank you so much. I appreciate it very much. So if you guys like the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn the bell on, and I'll see you on my next video.